So
We'll start now.
we're doing the smile challenge. My uncle said if you smile for 2 minutes straight, it really hurts. So we're all smiling. See, my mom's smiling.
It already sort of hurts.
Isn't it? My uncle's smiling. Yeah, Kim is smiling, and she's beating eggs too while smiling. That's impressive.
Yeah, just wait.
Got a minute left. 1 more minute. It definitely hurts. It's like right in here at the cheeks. 10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! God, you're right, son. That is weird.
No, I thought,
Smile challenge hurts.
Like, he went to Costa Rica for 3 weeks. And so he said, well, what do you...
So we're going boating today, and I have to put you guys back in the life-proof case. So we are now all leaving to what lake? Immigrant Lake. And we're gonna go boating. I'll be your captain for today. We're gonna be launching the boat really soon. Here we go.
Again.
We came back to port to pick up Em
Hello, fans.
and Reed. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Hey. We're gonna go tubing. Vance is on the tube.
Yay!
Dad's pulling the anchor up. Vance is done tubing. He'll probably never let me pull him on the tube ever again. I think it was fun. I got the entire boat, like, because we went over a wake and it was like, psh, all the water went everywhere. water in the boat!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Mom, what's your problem? There's a literal foot of water in the boat! What's your problem?
Yeah, did you see your mom?
Em!
Where are they?
We're done boating for the day. Driving the boat up on the trailer now.
Driving it?
Yeah.
Down, Austin, put it in reverse.
No, he's good.
Sure.
Rope isn't up, I don't think, is it?
Yeah, it's all the way up.
Oh, is it?
Hop in.
What's that?
Goodbye, lake. Woo! Woo! Hello. We're back home from a long day of boating. I'm hungry. Literally, as soon as I got back, my cousin invited me to go on a hike. So we're going on a hike.
This is a hike. This is not just like an up street, like sort of walk thing.
See these deer right here?
We have deer right here.
They scared the crap out of me when I was coming up the driveway. There's like 10 turkey on our little mini hike. And there's also this like ditch. So we're going up Cardiac Hill.
We're about to get there.
This is a
there.
serious hill right now. Cardiac Hill is literally all the way what we just did.
We didn't even finish it. We're about halfway through. If we wanted to finish it, we would.
You said this. You
No,
said this is.
This is my break. This is my break for Cardiac Hill.
Oh,
If I want to finish
okay.
Cardiac Hill.
Anyways, we're halfway through Cardiac Hill, and we're on these awesome boulders.
The only
having a great conversation about feelings,
emotions,
relationships,
everything that everyone needs to talk about.
all that crap. I think this might be the top of our Cardiac Hill hike. We're gonna go back and get lots of water,
Lots of sausage,
lots
of potato, and not sausage in the weird way that the kids are talking about.
I'm not gonna say lots of sausage.
I know. Probably the best you're gonna get.
The best view, even though the camera does not do justice to the view.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Ugh. This is the top of Cardiac Hill.
I don't even know what's in the mountains over there.
This is the view. Meow.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Has a collar and everything. It just jumped out of that car.
Yeah, we
It
don't.
was like running towards us.
This isn't my cousin's cat. This
That's
is
just
just
some
a
random Oregon
friendly
cat.
neighborhood Oregon cat.
Hi, honey. Oh, you're sneezy.
No.
No.
It stalked me all the way to my house yesterday.
Oh my
Well,
god.
if you was there, it's not a problem. I
Yeah,
can walk
this
all the way
cat
back
just keeps
down.
following us. We're on our way back from a
Do
walk.
you want to take it and be like,
The owner finally got her cat. Look at this dinner.
No, good.
No.
I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. It's been a big day. I got a great dinner to eat, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.